Bees are not just buzzing insects, they are vital workers in our ecosystem. Their main role is pollination, which helps plants grow, breed, and produce food. Without bees, many crops and wild plants would disappear. A single bee can visit thousands of flowers a day, transferring pollen with precision. This helps produce fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Bees are responsible for 1/3 of the food we eat, an amazing service to humanity. Bees also produce honey, a natural sweetener full of health benefits. For centuries, humans have used honey for food and medicine. It's another gift from bees, showing how their labor supports our lives. The structure of a beehive is a marvel of nature. Bees work in harmony, each playing a role. This organized teamwork is an example of divine design, proving that even tiny creatures serve a greater purpose. Bees pollinate cotton, coffee, and almonds, products we use every day. Their silent service is part of our daily lives, making them not just wild insects but partners in human progress. Without bees, food prices would rise, biodiversity would decline, and ecosystems would suffer. They are small but mighty, created with perfect abilities to support life on Earth. Bees remind us that every creature has a role in the balance of life. Their presence is a mercy, serving both the Earth and its people. Protecting them is protecting a vital part of our world.